Hi everyone, today I show you a quick technique to deepen the gaze and to add more contrast to the eyes, but very naturally. Let's go into Photoshop. So I am here in Photoshop and I'm working on this image, and what we want is to make the eyes pop more. So just if you are interested, here is the raw image and here is the retouch so far. It's not done yet, but this is where we are on this image. I'm going to color off those two curves that are my color grading layers, color grading adjustment, and now we are going to work to make the eyes pop more, but in a very natural way. So I'm going to show you a quick technique. What you need to do is to pick a curve. So you go to adjustment, curve, and then we are going to zoom in a little bit and double click on your curve, and here we're gonna pick the hand here. So pick it, and what we want is to pick the brightest area in the eyes outside of the light, of course. So brightest area in the eye. So let's see. Let's say, so I'm looking at my curve here, and depending where is my dot, I know that it's more in the highlight or it's more in the shadows. So let's do it. Okay, so it looks like somewhere around here is the brightest area. So I pick it and I go up. Okay, now I'm going to look for the darkest area. So it's of course going to be around the eye here. I'm going to pick this area here and I will go down. So not too much, something like that looks acceptable for me. Then I'm going to go on the mask and to do Command I to invert the mask so it's invisible. And then I'm going to pick my brush, 20% opacity, and to brush inside the eye. Don't go outside or on the skin. You really have to stay inside the eye. So let's brush. Okay, the second eye. If you think it's not enough, you can brush again. Okay. And now if you are not used to it, you might think, okay, nothing is happening because your eyes just adapted, but just do the before and after, and you can see that now the eyes got more contrast and pop more, but still while being very natural. So let's see before and after. You can see it's very natural, but it still helps the eyes to pop more on the image. So now if I add my curves for color grading, you can see before and after or eyes adjustments. If you like this video, push the like button and let me know in the comments if you would be interested in a course about skin retouching. I see you in the next video.